You've heard that sound doesn't travel in space, right? Because space is a vacuum. There's no air to carry sound waves like here on Earth. But what if I told you NASA actually found a way to record the sounds of space? Scientists use special instruments that detect radio waves, plasma vibrations, and electromagnetic signals from space. These waves are then converted into sounds we can actually hear. Here are a few haunting sounds that have been recorded. Horsehead Nebula, Bubble Nebula, Ring Nebula, Milky Way, Sagittarius A,